Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some lemon pepper whole chicken with some potato. Okay, so here my chicken that is already washed and clean, and these are all of my seasoning that I'm gonna use. Here I have 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Okay, but guys, if you don't have all the seasoning that I'm using, you can always use whatever seasoning you have at home. Yes. And I'm also gonna add 1 teaspoon of rosemary and thyme, okay, from the bottle. Yes. So guys, I'm using a large chicken, okay? So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna pour my seasoning in my bowl right here. Just gonna leave about this amount, okay? Then I'm just gonna add my fresh thyme, my bottle thyme I mean, and my rosemary, okay? Then I'm gonna add some olive oil to it. So I'm basically making a paste for my chicken, okay? I'm gonna just mix it all together. I'm gonna add some more of my olive oil. I add at least 1/4 cup, yeah. Put it right there. So now I'm just gonna add it all to my chicken. And you're just gonna take your nice clean hands and just rub it all in. Make sure that everything is all combined, okay? And I'm using a large chicken, yeah. Make sure some of the seasoning go in the guts. Turn it around. Make sure all the seasoning is all covered on your chicken, because you want your chicken to be nice and full of flavor. So don't be scared to rub it all over. And you can always leave it, guys, to marinate for at least 30 minutes. Or even overnight. But if you don't have the time, you just cook it as it is. So that's done. Yum. So here's my lemon pepper seasoning, and I'm using 2 spoons, okay? So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add some olive oil, at least 2 teaspoons, okay? Then I'm just gonna take my hand and just mix it and just put it all over on my chicken. Just gonna rub it all in. I'm telling you, this recipe, guys, is gonna be super delicious. So yummy. You guys are gonna enjoy it. I'm telling you. Just leave it like that. So here I have my potato, guys, and these are the baby potato. So what I did, I just cut it in 2 pieces, okay? Yes, like so. And this is the amount that I'm gonna use. You can always use as much as you want. So firstly, I'm just gonna add some salt, at least 1 spoon of salt to 1 teaspoon. And I'm also gonna add some olive oil, at least 4 spoons, okay? Then guys, I'm gonna add my remaining seasoning that I season my chicken with. Yes. And I'm also gonna add some rosemary, just a small amount. And some thyme from the bottle, just a small amount. You don't need a lot. With my lemon pepper seasoning, and I'm only gonna use 1 spoon. Then I'm just gonna take my hand, and you just want to massage all those seasoning all over on your potato, okay? Make sure it is all combined. I'm telling you, it smells amazing, guys. Super, super delicious. And my potato is already washed and it's clean. Yes. So that's done. So here I have my baking tray, and to my baking tray, guys, I just added some baking paper, okay? So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add some olive oil, and you're just gonna take your hand and just rub it all over on your baking paper. Yes. So now I'm just gonna add my chicken, then I'm gonna add my potatoes, and guys, I'm just gonna put it in my oven for at least 45 minutes for now, okay? 45 minutes and 150 Celsius. Yes, I'm not gonna cover it though. I'm just gonna leave it just like that. I'm telling you guys, it's looking super, super delicious, and it smells so good. So, so yummy. There's some liquid that leave back in my bowl, so I'm just drizzling it all over on my chicken. And I'm just gonna sprinkle some of my lemon pepper seasoning all over on my chicken and on my potato. So, so good, guys. Just a generous amount. So in the oven it goes. Stay tuned, guys. So guys, I just removed my chicken and my potato from the oven, and this is what it look like. It's been in the oven just over 45 minutes, and I'm telling you, just look at it. It looks super, super delicious. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it back in my oven for at least 40 minutes, okay? 40 to 35 minutes and 150 Celsius, okay? Because it's still not finished. It look amazing, guys. Just look at it. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna drizzle some of my olive oil all over on my chicken and on my potato. Okay, it is nice and moist, but just to give it some extra moistness and to keep the chicken nice and moist also. Yeah, that's it. So in the oven it goes. Stay tuned. Yum, yum, yum. So this is my melted butter, guys, and I'm using just over a quarter cup, and that's my lemon pepper seasoning, and that's 1 spoon. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add my lemon pepper seasoning to my butter. Then I'm just gonna take my spoon and just mix it all in. Okay, just make sure it is all combined. So this is totally optional, but I'm just gonna add at least 1 teaspoon of parsley to my lemon pepper sauce, and I'm telling you, it's gonna make your chicken and your potato look super, super yummy. So that's why it's gonna make it pop, you know? Yes, so that's perfect, guys. So I just removed my chicken from the oven, and I'm telling you guys, it's looking super, super delicious. I mean, just look at the color that the chicken has. I'm telling you guys, this recipe is a must try. It is nicely, nicely cooked. Even the potato, everything cooked to perfection. Do you see I put my fork in the potato and the fork go right through? So nice, so soft. That's exactly how you want it. Perfect. So now I'm just gonna add all that lemon pepper sauce all over on my chicken and on my potato. Guys, I'm telling you, this right here is like food prawn. I just wish you guys could be in my kitchen and see how nice, so juicy, so pretty look. Oh my goodness. So I'm just brushing all that sauce all over on my chicken and on my potato. Super, super yummy, guys. So I'm just cutting into my chicken just to show you guys how nicely it look and how juicy it is. And I'm telling you guys, it is super, super yummy. Do you see all the juices coming out of the chicken? Honestly, guys, this recipe, oh my goodness, it's like food prawns. So, 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 so yummy. The chicken is so nice, so moist, so juicy, full of so much flavor. Honestly, I give this recipe 10 out of 10. I really like the combination of this dish. It's really, really good. Please, guys, if you like this recipe, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share this video to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really, really appreciate it. I worked so hard just to get these videos out for you guys. So please support my channel. And if you have been supporting to my YouTube channel, I thank you all so much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. Do you see that chicken breast? Oh, nicely look. Guys, I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye. Stay blessed. Don't forget to keep laughing, keep smiling no matter what. Because God is always on your side. Bye, guys. Much love.